Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust brightness, contrast and sharpness on your XIAOMI G27Qi gaming monitor. So first of all, in order to do this, we're gonna have to reach for the joystick, which is located on the right side of your monitor. You can reach it from the back side if you're not convenient with doing it like I show it in the video. And after that, after clicking this joystick once, you'll be able to see this D-pad on your screen. On this D-pad, we want to select these three lines icon. To do that, just drag your joystick to the right. Then in the picture mode, drag the joystick to the right to go to the following column. And in this column, we'll be able to select the picture mode, which we have three of those. So we have the standard one, the energy saver and movie. To do that, just drag the joystick to the right once again and then highlight the picture mode that you like and click OK to apply it. Now, in order to adjust brightness, in the second column, navigate to brightness, then click OK, and then drag the brightness up or move it down using your joystick. The same way we can adjust the contrast. And we also have additional settings like color temperature that can be selected in the same way that we select the picture mode. And also the hue, the saturation, and if you want to reach the sharpness, it's available beneath all of these settings along with gamma, response time, and yeah, here we have it. We also have dark scene boost, DCR, color space, which you want to use. And if you want to reset default settings, you have to go for restore default. If you want to exit, just drag your joystick to the left. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.